Alex the Language Explorer. This is Alex. He loves to play and have fun. What games do you like to play? Alex loves. One sunny day, Mom told Alex that they were going to Grandma's house. When they arrived at Grandma's house, Alex ran upstairs straight to the attic. It was a dark, old place. Alex opened the book, but none of the words could he read. Suddenly, the book began to swallow Alex, and he fell into a magical world. In this world, they spoke a different language.
Hola Alex, soy un búho.